So I've done the training, and I'm qualified and I have clients now, and so I've been going online and looking for other EFT that I can do, and I just thought I'll find different tutors with different approaches, and I've tried a few different online courses, but actually I don't learn very much from them. It's very much the same old thing over and over again. I won't name any of them because that's not fair, but what I find the most helpful to me as a practitioner is to do the mentoring with Tamara and Peter, because it takes me deeper and it challenges me and it makes me think a lot more about my practice. Because of Tamara and Peter, because they have so much to offer, but also because of some of the other practitioners who are there, who have a lot more experience than I do. And that combination of their expertise and the expertise of the other practitioners is magic. And I value it so much that I've decided to do the mentoring every month.